Today, we're going to sew something woven, not stretchy, to something knit, very stretchy. Okay, so we're going to sew it first with the spandex side up, stretchy side up. So start sewing, and almost immediately it starts getting out of hand. Just going every which way, just pulling like crazy. And it's stretching a lot. And by the end, it's that much off. We've only gone about 6 inches. Alright, now let's hold it in place with a pin at both ends. Now we can start it. And holding it down here while it goes. All right, there you go. So it's not pulling. So, why it's important, which side is down, because there are little teeth on the bottom that pull your material along as you sew. That's why you want the stretchy stuff on the bottom, so these teeth can pull it along. Isn't that right, Melonhead?